I made some yummy chicken momos. These are super soft and super savory. Let's get started by taking the ingredients for the wrapper. Take a medium sized bowl and add 1.5 cup of all purpose flour or maida. Make sure there are no lumps so that we get a smooth wrappers. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a cup of curd. Mix the ingredients and knead the dough by adding a little bit of water at a time. Knead the dough for at least 5 to 10 minutes. It makes the dough stretchy and soft. And cover the dough with a wet cloth and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now let's take the ingredients for the inner stuff. If you want, you can pause the video for a minute. Take chicken into a small jar and grind it. Make sure there are no lumps of the chicken. And don't make into a smooth paste. Take the grinded chicken into a bowl. If the chicken isn't fresh, it's going to be a bit dry. Add freshly chopped onions and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. You can always make it at home or buy at store. Add salt to taste. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Now add some black pepper powder. I'm not using any red chili powder so as to maintain the color. I feel like my mixture is a bit dry, so I'm adding a little bit of curd. Mix this stuff with a spoon or you can just use your hand. The curd also gives the juicy flavor to the momos. Now take the resting dough and start making some wrappers. Make it into a very thin, round shaped wrapper. Make the wrappers as thin as you can. So we are at the main part. Follow the steps in the video to make some pretty momos. I pinched off the extra dough, but you can leave it as it is because the dough itself is going to taste yummy. Have you guys tried to make momos at home? Please let me know how they taste in the comments below. Everything is done now and I'm going to share my secret to make momos crispy on one side and soft on the other side. Take a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil of your choice. Maintain the heat on medium. Place the momos in the heated pan for 1 minute. This makes the momos crispy on one side. After 1 minute, add water so that it covers half of the momos. And place the lid and let it boil. That's it. Thanks for watching till the end. Please like and subscribe so that I can improve. Bye bye.